If you've ever received a voice message in Telegram and wanted to keep it for later, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Telegram voice messages on your Windows or Mac computer in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to back up important notes, save instructions, or keep audio messages for reference without losing them in a busy chat. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. This method works best on Windows and Mac, so make sure you're using the desktop version of Telegram rather than the mobile app. Once the app opens, sign in if needed, and then go to the chat that contains the voice message you want to save. Now, scroll through the conversation until you find the exact voice message you want to download. Telegram voice messages are usually shown with a small audio player and waveform, so they're easy to spot. Before you do anything, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct message, especially if the chat has a lot of audio clips mixed in with text. Once you've found the voice message, hover over it or right-click on it to bring up the available options. In Telegram Desktop, you should see a menu with different actions you can take. Look for the option that says Save As. This is the key step that lets you export the voice message to your computer. After clicking Save As, Telegram will ask you where you want to store the file. Choose the folder or location that makes the most sense for you. For example, you might save it to your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or a dedicated audio folder if you want to keep things organized. If you're saving a lot of voice notes, creating a separate folder just for Telegram audio can make it much easier to find them later. Next, click Save to confirm the download. Telegram will then save the voice message as an audio file on your computer. Depending on your system settings, it may save as a voice note file format that you can later open with a media player or convert if needed. Once it's saved, you can go to that folder and verify that the file is there. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Telegram voice message to your computer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it's a great way to keep important audio messages accessible whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Telegram tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.